Hello friends, welcome to Rajasthani Sisters. This year we are celebrating Diamond Jubilee year of India's Independence Day, that is on 15th of August. Let us ensure to keep social distance and obey the guidelines issued for COVID-19 and celebrate this festival of love which symbolizes patriotism within us. So friends, in this video I am going to share 15 plus ideas which you can use to celebrate this national festival with your children. But before starting this video, I request you, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. My first idea is role play of freedom fighter. Children can enact as a famous freedom fighter and speak few lines on them. They can also share their well said famous quotes. This will give them an insight of the true heroes of life. My second idea is virtual tour of historical place. Photos or videos of famous places of India can be shown to the children and its significance can be discussed with them. My third idea is dance on patriotic songs. Children can perform dance on patriotic songs using tricolor props and tricolor clothes on this day. My fourth idea is few lines on Independence Day. Kids can say freedom quotes, patriotic poems, or a short speech on Independence Day. This activity will help them learn and understand the meaning of this day. My fifth idea is drawing and painting. Children can draw and paint on the theme of freedom and unwind their mind into paper with colors. My sixth idea is art and craft activities for Independence Day. Tricolor kite making, making of national flag of India, tricolor tulip making, peacock making, paper lanterns, Nehru cap, etc. are some of the art and craft activities that can be performed on this day. My seventh idea is model making. Kids can make models of historical places and present them. My eighth idea is collage or chart making. Children can prepare a collage of freedom fighters and present it. They can also make a chart on Happy Independence Day using their creative ideas. My ninth idea is word search. You can ask the kids to find words related to the event, that is Independence Day, in clusters of letters. My 10th idea is word jumble. Word jumbles are puzzles that children love to play. They can unscramble mixed up letters to make words related to our country like state names, capital names, rivers of India, etc. My 11th idea is flag hoisting. While there is a flag hoisting ceremony in school premises, teachers can go live with the kids and let them participate in the celebrations while staying at home. My 12th idea is Independence Day theme party. You can ask children to have a tricolor party food, tricolor themed costume and share the pics. You can also plan some patriotic party games. My 13th idea is patriotic movies. Movies make strong impact, so on Independence Day children can watch patriotic movies and understand the sacrifices of freedom fighters. Movies on Indian armies, navy and air force will help them to learn from their bravery and victory stories. My 14th idea is fancy dress. Children can dress in traditional dresses from across the country. It will build a sense of unity and diversity among them. My 15th idea is Independence Day quiz. Organize a quiz competition for children with the theme centered around Independence Day. You can keep questions on state capitals, national symbols, historical years, etc. So friends, these are just a few of the activities that you can do and make the children learn about the importance of this day. For more ideas, you can check the videos in the I button above, and if you like these ideas, then please comment your best choice. Do press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Pressing the bell icon will enable notifications of my upcoming videos. So please press the bell icon and select all. Thank you all for listening to me. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.